video. What is it all about? All about? Give me example. What did the student do there? They are yes, kids.
Brushing her teeth.
Very good. Let's give me a clap. How about Mary? What other things the students did there?
Putting the clothes.
Putting the clothes. That is correct. How about job? Anything?
Combing our hair.
Yes. How do we comb our hair?
With this teacher.
Yes, that is very good. Another. Is there anything else?
Yes.
How about Geraldine?
Wash our face, teacher.
Wash our face. How do we wash our face? Like that. Oh, very good. Now, since we all noticed with the things they've done in the TV, what do you call all of this? What are those things? It starts with the letter H. Anyone? Yes, Charlene.
Hygiene teacher.
Hygiene, is that correct?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Today we are going to learn about the things like hygiene, the proper ways and how to perform the hygiene things. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, now you're...
So now, class, let's learn what is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene involves the practices that help maintain cleanliness and health. So such as washing our hands, brushing our teeth, and caring for our hair. So ang personal hygiene ni ay kay nag-involve ni siya mga practices nga makapalimpyo sa atong panglawas. Sa ganang personal hygiene? Para limpyo sa atong panglawas. Very good, para limpyo sa atong panglawas. So, unsa may mga example ani? Yes, Miss Lynn?
Washing our face.
Very good, washing our face. So, washing our hands and brushing our teeth. So, nga kinahanglan man ang personal hygiene. It is because it helps us to spread or prevent the spread of germs and diseases. So, kung natin personal hygiene, layong ta sa mga sakit o layong ta sa mga ugaw. Also po, kung ang tao na ay personal hygiene kay maka-improve sa ilang well-being o maka-social interact sila. Kaya ba mo, ganahan mo makig-social interact sa mga tao mahugaw? Dili. So that is why we need personal hygiene. So, unsa man ang first nga need nato sa personal hygiene? Mao ang atong washing our hands. So, ang washing of our hands will be discussed by Miss Isabelo.
Now class, let's start first with washing hands or hand washing. So what is washing hands or hand washing? Anyone who has an idea? Yes, Kate?
Paglimpyo sa kamot, teacher.
Okay, very good. So hand washing or washing hands, it is an act of cleaning our hands using a soap and a water. So I have a question, class. So why is it essential for us to do hand washing?
Para walay germs, teacher.
Okay, very good. Para walay germs. So we do hand washing, or it is essential for us to do hand washing for maintaining our good health and preventing the spread of any germs, bacteria, or mga maka-prevent siya of diseases. So it is because our hands come in contact with variety of surfaces like kung sarang ang atong ibang gulitan, ang atong ibang kulit, and not knowing that object is ugaw siya. And if dili ta maghugas sa atong kamot, kay it can cause nga ang bacteria is mo enter sa atong body and that can cause a disease. So, dapat pili ay nga maghugas ta sa atong kamot o i-practice na nato na regularly. And sa paghugas sa atong mga kamot, naana siya steps na dapat nato i-follow. And that step will be discussed by Teacher Jack.
So there are steps clean running water. So, pag-ulit mo ay mukha mo dahil sa kalawibyo ng tubig. Nasabtan?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, ang ikaduha, kay rub your hands together with the soap, lathering the tops of your hands between your fingers and under your nails. So, kinahanglan kay ihang kuskusun og sabon ang inyong kamot, apil ang kumaga kuko. Nasabtan ang ikang mga student class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, ang ikatulo kay scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. O, pwede sa mo kanta o happy birthday kaduha para yung matay ka na yung kagalingon. Nasabda na class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, ang ikaw pa, balik ko ba sa class?
Raise hands well underneath running water.
Again, sa kani class?
Raise your hands well under your running water.
Okay, so pinakanan na. Suman ko o panahon kay imong waswasan o imong earrings para mawala ang bula. Very good. So ang ikalima kay
Dry
dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. Very good. The step 4 is rinse your hands well under their clean running water. So kinahanglan kay ibuwalin mo o panabon ng tarok sa mukha mo kay iwaning nawnawan or imang hugasan o tarong para mawala ang tahok sa sabon. Ang step 5 or ang ikalima nga step kay dry your hands using a clean towel or if na may air dry, yung air dry. Nasabtan?
Yes, teacher.
So, ganang mga importante nga if nindot ang pamaagi sa pagpakinaw.
Para mawala ang bugaw.
Very good, Kate. Palakpakan na ito si Kate. Dahil, isa may ganahan na volunteer ka makita kung saan ang sakto nga pagpakinaw. Yes, Jerlyn? Please start sa tubangan. So, Jerlyn, gusto mo ng step 1.
Ang step 1 teacher kay bason ang kamot, unya i-apply ang sabon.
Very good. Para ang sabon. Dayon, ang ikaduhang nga step, unsa man?
Ay kaduha nga step teacher kay i-rub ang akong kamot,
Dayon,
ang bilon ang mga kuko,
Very good.
og
Pwede ka mo kanta po o
Happy birthday song.
Ikanta, Jermely. Happy birthday. Sabayan na to si Jermely.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ikaduha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Very good. So, ang ikaupat kay
muna na magpamaswas teacher.
Very good. Sige, ito maswasan. Dayon, ang ikalima kay
Mao ang magtrapo sa basa nga kamot, teacher. Very good. So, pakpangan na si Jermeline siya. Thank you, Jermeline. You can take your seat now.
Okay, class. Ganahan pa mo makabalo kung anus ata manghugas sa atuang mga kamot?
Yes, teacher!
Okay. So, ang una kay before eating or preparing our food. Nga naman nga kinahanglan ta manghugas sa dili pa ta mukaon.
Hindi ko teacher ikaon.
Very good, Nicole. O para po dili makontaminate ang mga pagkaon nga ato ang kaunon. So next is after using the toilet. Maghugas ba mo sa inyong kamot kung mahuman mo mag-CR?
Yes, teacher!
Ano maghugas man gyud ta?
Mabilitan tayo sa atong kamot, teacher.
Yes, maghugas gyud ta o that is an essential practice that we should do. Next one, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. So, ini kakuman na to o sigma or ubo. Nanuman at Loisa.
For the bacteria, teacher.
Yes, in order for us to prevent the spreading of diseases. So, ato dyan ang buhatong class ha?
Yes, teacher!
Yes, so please read.
After touching animals or animal waste.
Yes. Nicole, ikahuman mo og hikap sa imuha nga iro manghugas ba ka?
Yes, teacher!
Yes. Kay possible nga ato ang mga hayop na ay disease. Yes, o ma-transfer ini kanato. Next is after handling garbage. Ikahuman ninyo og labay sa iyong basura. Manghugas mo or dili?
Manghugas!
Yes, kinahanglan na to nga manghugas kay naay germs kunya wa jud ka kabalungan na ana di ay inado. Kasabot ba mo class?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, so kamusta ganita manghugas?
Before eating or preparing food.
Next.
After using the toilet.
Next.
After blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing.
Next.
After touching animals or animal waste. After handling garbage.
Very good.
Now, class, let's proceed to the second personal hygiene, which is
Brushing teeth.
karon class, nakoy pangutan na importante ba ka mo manubrush ka or dili na lang?
Importante, mamoy.
Ngano mga importante?
Pagkali mo, bako.
Yes, mo na mo sa rason akong i-discuss karon is nganong importante nga manubrush. So, naitulo ka rason. Una nga rason, to prevent diseases. Ikaduha, avoid gums, diseases. Ang ikatulo kay fresh breath. So when we say preventing diseases, muna usang ka rason nga para makalimpyo ang kaning pagpanutras nimo nga makawala sa tartar. Or gitawag siya sa Bisaya og gitutong. So kanang ipang tutong ng mga bata mo na mga bata nga like ulo, kanong mukha og mga pares anang saging na kanang ipahinog. Gatutong sila. Kanang inyong ipon mong ipag-itog-itog. Kanang sigaw ng chocolates. O muna siya ang rason nga dapat dyan ng brush na para makaprevent sa diseases. Ang ikaduha, avoid gum diseases. So kanang gums, kapag mo usay gums,
Wala, teacher.
ang gums! Lumana ko sa gums. So, paano na mo na class kaya ang gums mo na diri ba ko itong nipon, like diri sa okay sa no. Ang kana kong gums, mo po na usa ka rason nga manutbrush ka para ang atong ngipon dili mga tamtang. Kay once dili ka manutbrush na imong ngipon magkuan naman na magka-sticky, like nagkalamig makiki, ana ba karon, di ba? Dahil ang ikatulo, fresh breath. So, ganahan tayo mo makipagtabi sa mga kauban, magbagbag ba ni kuan, may alpus ba yan, ana? Inon mo na sa mga kasket, ganahan mo na.
Yes!
So, dapat yun, nga manutbrush ka kada adlaw. So, ang pangpanutbrush, sa sa inyong
Ingat po.
Okay, very good. So, unsa ganitong tulong ka rason?
Prevent diseases,
Avoid harm, disease, and
fresh
very good.
So the next thing we will do is we will know what are the steps of brushing our teeth. So kinsa may kabalong sa on pag-toothbrush sa teeth? Teacher. Yes, usa na siya ka rason kung usa na siya ka step kung unsaon pag-toothbrush sa teeth. So the first step is tara siya. The first step is apply toothpaste. So kung mag-brush mo, gamit mo mo toothpaste?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, asin. Oh, sa kay asin, yes, after dyan na siya. So, kung magbutang mo toothpaste, daghan ninyo dili.
Gamay, teacher.
Gamay ra, very good. So, ang pagbutang sa toothpaste dapat gamay ra siya or enough lang ang pagbutang sa toothpaste. So, kaduha, unsa man ang kaduhang step kaya para ninyo ang pag-brush sa teeth? Isa na idea.
Ana, teacher.
Oh, very good. I-brush na nimo after ang pagbutang sa toothpaste or sa toothpaste. Sige, na ako'y toothbrush dire. Muna ihatag ninyo. Okay? Toothbrush. Okay? And here. Okay. Who can show me on how you are going to brush your teeth? How about you, Isabella?
First, teacher, kaya kung siya sa whole surface sa inyong
Yes, very good. Tagana to. Pakpak si Isabella. So, mauni siya ang steps sa pag-brush food nato sa atong teeth para ma-brushan din nato ang all surface sa atong teeth. So, the first one, dali ka sa outer. O, show ni teacher ba ang outer nga pag-brush? Kana, very good. How about sa inner? Dili na, sa gums, the pit. Kana, very good. And next, iapilin po ni mo ang brush ang tandili.
Bilis.
Iapil. Lalo bang iapil na to ang pag-brush sa tang? Kay hugaw man saan? Yes, kay hugaw po ng atong tang. Ginayo na to or kusgo?
Ginayo!
Ginayo? Unsa man ni mo pagkuhan kusog ang pag-toothbrush? Unsa may result ana ipusgo nimo?
Bawo ang hugaw, teacher.
No, masama ka magdugo. So next time, if manutbrush ka, take it slowly. Alright, next. Ang katulong na step is brush for 2 minutes. So dapat 2 minutes ka mag-direct, susud, para maunsa ganit
Mawala ang hugaw, teacher.
Yes, very good. Mawala ang ugaw. The next one is step 4, brush your tongue. Sumuton din ni teacher nga dapat apilon o brush ang atong dila or atong tongue. And last one, rinse and spit. So, man natin, perform daw ni teacher ang rinse and spit. Ikaw.
Tubig na sa picture na.
Yes, very good. Tagana to. 5 claps si Jermaine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Very good. So, nasabtan ra ang mga steps on how to brush your teeth?
Yes, teacher.
Very good.
Ningon naman ganiha si Teacher Pilar ka kung kapila tang toothbrush sa isa ka adlaw. So, kanang kaduha tang toothbrush sa isa ka adlaw. Una sa bundag, ikaduha before ta matulog. So, pwede na sad ta mag-toothbrush tagang human o kaon.
So the third personal hygiene is the hair care. So today we are going to learn about why taking care of our hair is important. So can anyone tell me what we need to do to help our hair clean? Okay, Kate, can you give us definition what we need to do to help our hair clean?
Magamit tong shampoo, teacher.
Yes, very good. So dapat magamit ang shampoo. So there are 3 reasons why taking care of our hair is important. Let's talk about each one. So first is the hair care helps maintain cleanliness. So dapat permanente limpyo ang atong buhok balag magabati atong naong basta permanenteng limpyo ang atong buhok. So what happens if we don't wash our hair? Say may tabo if dili limpyoan ang atong buhok.
Opo, teacher.
Yes, kotoon o makakaspa po siya. Yes, so dapat permanenteng limpyo gina atong buhok para dili ta kotoon o kaspaon. So the second reason is the proper hair care helps prevent the scalp issues. So, has anyone heard about dandruff or the lice? Yes, dandruff is a tiny white flecks that fall from your scalp. The lice are the tiny bugs that can live in your hair and make your scalp itchy. So, dapat dili ta kotoon yun, dapat permanenteng limpyo ang atong buhok. So, pag-prevent ana is dapat dili ta mo share sa atong sudlay. Like for example, na one time nga nanguhang ko sudlay ni Christine nga naay ganang kuto yung buhok, ay kuto yung sudlay, di akong gihuli kay para dili ko kotoon. Na kana sa kanang labi na ron tag-init. Dapat kita magalo, dapat magpayong ta. Kaya para dili mahuob ang kuan galo sa tong kuan ka ulo para dili ta kotoon. Na dapat pod magkaya kita mo share sa ulan labi na to isuon nga naay kuto. Dapat ato ang personal nga ulan. Then the third reason is the clean, well-groomed hair enhances our appearance. So how do you feel when your hair looks good? Kasi ma-feel niyo if inyong buhok upside tanawon, nindot, kasi ma-feel niyo. Guwapa. Yes, guwapa gid mo. Dapat neat and nice. So remember taking of our hair care is important by washing it regularly from maintaining cleanliness, preventing scalp issues, and enhances our appearance.
Okay, now children, I give you some course tips on how to proper care our hair. So these are the steps of proper hair care. So step 1, brush your hair daily. So unsa may gamito na to para dili magkalkan atong buhok? Sudlay. So karon isa may ganan mo perform sa ang pagsaktong pagsudlay sa atong buhok. So tingting, alitin. So the first step is use a hairbrush to detangle hair starting from end. So dali daw sa tumoy. Sa tumoy hangtod maabot sa babaw. Mao ni siya proper pagsudlay sa ato ang hair. So now, thank you, team. So now, the step 2, wash hair regularly. So hindi na ito, ugasan na itong buhok, pero so wash your hair with, sige, ito na to. Shampoo. Very good, Kanin. So, kung ano yung maligo na nga, walang shampoo. Nindot di ay. Oo, stop. So, dapat maligo ka na ay shampoo para humog at buhok o limpyo ko na to ang scalp. So, magamit ang shampoo once a week or twice a week. Depende sa itong buhok. May naman itong buhok sa nipis na apoy baga. So, ang ikatulong kay rinse thoroughly. So, maani siya. After magbutang na to og shampoo sa atong buhok, dapat atong bason og water. So, dapat tarong mo na to og water ang ato ang buhok. Same sa picture. Para ma-avoid ang irritation sa ato ang scalp. So, ang the last is this one. Drying. After na ito magbasa sa ato ang buhok, dapat ato ang ipauga. So, unsa may gamito na ito para mapauga sa atong hair? Towel! Well, sakto. Kung di ba magamit ang towel na wet? Yay! So, ang gamitan na ito, towel nga uga. Yung sa may saktong pag-auga sa atong hair using towel. Oh, alitin! Come here, teens. Unsa may sakto. So, dapat tap lang ang towel sa atong hair instead of i-rubbing na to kay nga naman kung i-rub na to na tendency nga mag-damage Again, what is our lesson for today?
It's all about personal hygiene.
Okay, what are the personal hygiene na permi na ito ginahimo?
Washing hands, brushing teeth, and wearing our hair.
Alright, so kabalo na ba mo sa mga steps on how to wash our hands?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you give me one? Yes, Julie?
Wet hands, teacher. Manapon, teacher.
Alright, manapon. Very good. So, brushing our teeth, another step.
Brush all the surface of our teeth, teacher.
Very good. Brush all the surface in our teeth. So, for the caring for hair, another step.
Brush our hair daily, teacher.
Very good. So, ngano importante man ni sila ang personal hygiene?
Para limpyo ta, teacher.
Very good.
Pod.
Very good. Para limpyo o bumutas. So, di na mo kalimtan ha. Dapat naadyo tayo personal hygiene. So, since kabalo naman po sa mga personal hygiene, naatay buhatong nga activity.
Alright, now we are going to have the activity. And this activity is what we call the hygiene relay race. Are you familiar with what is this game all about? Yes? Alright, because all you have to do here is to race doing the hygiene practices we do in our house. Let's have with this 3 station. The first station is that you are going to wash your hands with water, soap, and then dry it with this towel. Alright? Now, second station is that you are going to brush your teeth with the use of a toothpaste. And you have to make it fast until you make it to the third station, wherein you're going to shampoo your hair and then comb your hair. And that's the time you're going to give this thumbs plug to the next player. Alright? Did you get it?
Yes!
Am I understood?
Yes!
Alright, perfect. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes!
Alright, so this will be team 1. Okay, raise your hand, team 1. And team 2, raise your hands. Okay. Are you all ready? Remember that who among you here will receive the amazing prize. Ready?
Yes!
Alright, in a count of 3, 2, 1, go! Make it fast! You wash your hands properly, alright? And then you wipe your hands before you go on the other side. Make sure it's dry. Okay, brush your teeth. Brush it. Okay, then comb your hair. Alright? And then the thumb. Alright. Yes. Okay. Yeah, you brush your teeth properly. Remember, you bring your thumbs up flat. Bring your thumbs up flat before you give it to your next. Okay, give it. Remember to bring your thumbs up before you proceed to the other station. You bring your thumbs up. You bring your thumbs up. Okay, and raise your thumb. Alright, very good. Team 2 got the winner. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Still, congratulations to Group 1, Team 1, because you still have your consolation prize. Alright? Are you all happy?
Yes!
Okay, thank you so much, class.